Hey everyone, have you ever stopped to listen to the whispers of the forest? I mean, really listen. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a tree, ancient and wise, its leaves rustling with stories. What if that tree could talk? What would it say? I picture it telling us about the secret lives of squirrels, the best spots for mushrooms, and how the sunlight feels on its bark. It would probably ask us to be kinder to its home, to pick up our trash, and to plant more of its friends. This talking tree wouldn't be just a tree. It would be a guardian, a protector of nature's delicate balance. It's a fun thought, right? But it reminds us that we all have a voice to speak up for our planet. Let's be the guardians nature needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories.